Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. This is the second part of yesterday's video, and someone asked us how we do the shipping. We're gonna send the stickers to California. We are located in Indiana, so it's gonna be out of state. We just reuse the boxes where they send us the vinyl. So make sure you remove all the stickers and put them on the side, and you're gonna end up using them if you decide to sell stickers out of state. And that's all you gotta do, just fold them. Pretty much just fold them and stick them in. And when you get to the mailing place, you can just give them the box and they'll weight it and they'll tell you what the best shipping method is going to be. Usually is the priority, I believe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the priority.
We use USPS.
USPS, yeah, that's the company that we use, and I think that's like the more affordable.
Yeah, more affordable.
Yep. Yeah, we don't want to use the word cheap.
Don't get cheap with me, man.
All you gotta do is just fold them like that, and the box is a medium-sized box. The stickers will be fine. Okay guys, and here's another option. You can go to Amazon or eBay and you can go ahead and type in shipping tubes and you can get them from here. They have different sizes. The ones we usually get are the ones that are 3 inches by 26. Since most of our vinyls are 24 inches, make sure that the shipping tube is a little bit bigger. So this is a good option to ship them to. And they already come with lids, so you have to put them on the edges and then add some tape. And don't forget to put the invoice in the box too for the customer so he can use it for his taxes.
We're gonna send Squeaky.
We usually do that. This is not the first time this customer gets stickers from us. I'm sure he saved his squeegee. Make sure you charge enough for it too. And I mean, they're only a couple dollars. And we usually put one in the box, which we're not gonna do this time because like I said, he already has one. And anyway, so when you get to the shipping place, just give it to the lady at the front or the guy, whoever is at the front, and ask them what like the best way to ship it to the destination you're gonna send it to, and they'll let you know like what's the best way to do so you can save a little bit of money.
Unless the customer wants priority, wants to pay for it, make sure you charge it too.
Oh yeah, that too. Yeah, make sure that you ask the customer how soon he wants them, and if he's not in a hurry, you can always use the best way to save money. And before I end this video, I'm gonna give you a tip. The way we get customers from out of state, we usually do posts on like different like garage places from other states. I mean, you have to send a request, and once you get approved, just like we usually post pictures, we do not do any videos. We usually do like posts of actual images of projects that we've done, and that's how we get customers out of state. All right guys, we just got back from the post office, and that's the word I was looking for earlier, not the shipping place, but the post office. And we paid $17 to ship it to California, from Indiana to California. There are so many ways to make money out of state, and that's why you gotta start creating content. This was a quick video just to give you an idea of how we do the shipping. Thank you very much. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share our videos. And if you have a better method to ship out stickers, let us know, and we're willing to learn. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.